Are you really tired of your daily job? Are you a student who hates his or her career choice in your 20s or 30s? This video is for you. If you are new to this channel, I am Raj. I share my thoughts on how I switched careers smoothly both as a student and as a working professional. I wanted to help people genuinely choose a career that they really love. I still remember the day I was a broke 18-year-old teenager. I just got my finals results with me. I was like so excited for it. I got 95 percentage. I always wanted to be a veterinarian. I love animals and I wanted to treat them and help them. But there's a huge stigma in India that veterinary medicine is an inferior profession, and most of my friends and relatives laughed at me. Coming from a country of a billion people, there's a huge competition for almost everything. And even though my scores were quite good, I still couldn't make it into vet school. So I had to choose the only available option for me, that's engineering. Even though I loved veterinary medicine, I ended up choosing engineering and also did a master's in it. But deep down, only I knew that I was not really happy. This is not a career for me, and this is not something that I wish to do for the rest of my life. I also know that I'll be stuck in this engineering cubicle for the rest of my life and I will never come out of this rat race. So I was so scared about that. So one of the biggest fears was I will never be able to fulfill my potential and I'd never be happy in whatever I do as a career. After my masters in Europe, I got some great offers from some of the best European companies out there. But I decided to follow my gut feeling this time and decided to take the most difficult decision in my entire life. That I decided to apply for veterinary medicine schools all over Europe. A few years passed now, and now I'm in my third year of med school, leading my happiest life, trying to be the better version every single day. And all the friends and the relatives who laughed at me when I said I wanted to study veterinary medicine are now really looking at me from a different perspective, that I am really living my dream. One of my friends who laughed at me when I said initially I wanted to study medicine reached out to me a few weeks back and said that it changed completely the way he makes his decisions these days and the way he handles risks and takes risks. So he really wanted to let me know that he follows his heart more than just following the masses or what the society demands. So now I have shifted into medicine. I also still follow artificial intelligence very closely because I also work as a programmer. I wanted to see what AI is doing and what AI is capable of, and different domains it's disrupting. And I also make videos about artificial intelligence as well. Please check out my other live streams. Thank you so much.